In the realm of unbounded ingenuity, imagine stepping into a time machine and finding yourself in a bustling computer lab of the 80s. Amidst the buzzing 8-bit wonders, you stumble upon a peculiar sight, a small, two-wheeled robot diligently following instructions through the magic of logo programming language. Fast forward to today, and this nostalgic scene has been given a contemporary twist by none other than Niklas Roy, whose innovative take on the classic vector plotter is nothing short of mesmerizing. Niklas Roy's workshop is a testament to the enduring charm of these mechanical artists. His fleet of two-wheeled robots transforms into efficient vector plotters, navigating between coordinates with surprising precision. Though primarily designed for artistic expression, we can't help but ponder the potential of these bots for practical plotting tasks as well. Picture a captivating duel between drawing bots and an eraser bot, reminiscent of a pixelated battlefield, and you'll get a glimpse of the creative genius at work. Crafted with simplicity in mind, the components are readily available, and the brains behind the operation is an Arduino Nano. The best part? You can download the files and embark on your own robotic adventure. Should you find yourself entangled in the logo programming web, know that you're not alone. This isn't our first dance with the iconic language, as evidenced by a previous project that turned a big track into a turtle graphics marvel. But here's where it gets intriguing. What if these bots could be the future of personalized art installations? And this is the part most people miss. Could they revolutionize the way we approach education in STEM fields? We'd love to hear your thoughts on these robotic wonders. Do you see them as mere nostalgic novelties, or do you envision a world where they play a pivotal role in both art and science? Share your insights in the comments below.